Okay, so parts are laid out here for issue 81 of the Spitfire. Yeah, it's going to be, what's it called, a control mechanism to go in the display stand. So it's one of the control mechanisms, I guess. It's going to make the aircraft pitch or roll or whatever. Yeah, checked it all off, all there. So just going to get this built up. This will be issue 81 of the Spitfire. Okay, so we need the metal shaft, threaded shaft, and then we fit the bearing, which looks like that, obviously, a bearing. And we fit that to the round end. So you've got a round end and you've got a square end. So we're going to fit that to the round end. I think it just gets pushed on. Yeah, it just gets pushed on. The bearing is on. Okay, then we bring over this part, which it calls base for the rod, and we're just going to fit that in to here. Yeah, so there's that in, and that just goes in. I don't know if you're supposed to screw it in at all, but I have done. Yes, I think it's just screw it in a couple of times. As you insert the thread, screw it down into the nut, so that the flattened end of the shaft comes through the nut as shown. Okay, so I've done that bit. Then we get the acrylic rod, and one end's got a small indentation and one's got a large, or a large insert if you like, hole. Large hole, small hole. Okay, and then we're going to put the one with the small indentation into there. Yeah, and we're going to attach that with a PWB screw, which are 2x5 or 2.5 by 4. So it's these ones here, the one you've only got 2 of. Okay, so that's that fitted in. Okay, now we've got this part here, which it calls cap for steel rod, quite imaginatively. One's got a closed hole and one's got an open hole. The closed hole one goes down to the bearing, the open hole goes down the acrylic rod. I think you just push those in. Okay. That's what it looks like at this point. Base controller with a hole in it, upper part of the base 8103, which is this one here. One's got a hole down the edge, one hasn't. I think 8103 is the one without the hole. And you just got to find out how that fits onto the base. You've got the open end, and that kind of just fits onto the base. Yeah. So you've got this other kind of line down there as well. Just going to fit something like that. And then secured in with placement of PB screws, 2x5 mil. So the ones you've got loads of. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And then we bring this over again, and you've got to have there's a area there that's going to fit into, slots into. And then you take the other housing part, and that's obviously got the same area. That's going to go into there, slides into place, I guess. Yeah, so that's what that looks like. And then get 4 of these screws. Okay. So let's check that that tab is in the slot, which it is, and it's 2 of these screws down the bottom. It's a hole, so we're giving a motor over from the last issue. Okay, and the shaft. Okay, I'm going to do it exactly the same way, so the red wire, blue wire, exactly. Oh yeah, there's a little, could you get it in either one way? No. So the shaft goes in that, through the hole, and then there, like that. Fix in place with 2 PWB 2x5 screws. So there's the one we've got 3 of. So 2 of these. Okay, so that's the motor fitted. Carefully turn over the assembly. T40 cog. 7. This is the one I believe with no extras on it. No. And fit it onto the shaft on the motor. Okay, that's on. Fix the pin into the socket in the upper part of the base stand. So there's a little pin. Just fits in. T20 cog. It's this one. Yep, T20 cog. She's got the extra bit on it. Okay, then the interlocking it. So it's just going to work like that. So let's get it the same angle. Side rim facing upwards. So this one, which is the smaller cog, has got a side rim, and that needs to face upwards. So all you need to do is make sure that all the teeth, I guess, all align and intermesh. Okay, and then we get the end of the, if you like, place that over it. So everything's held in place. 4 2x5 PV screws. Okay, I think that's everything done for this one. Yeah, it's the first motor mechanism, isn't it, I think. Okay, just make sure I've got everything I need spare. So you need the suction cup, cable, that 5 2x5 screws left, 2, 4, 5 of those, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those left. 3 1.7, 3 of these left. Okay, so that's what you need left. You've got some spares as well. Okay, so that was issue 81 done there, the Spitfire. Yep, basically constructing that first motor. 82, what are we doing in 82? Display motor for the display. Oh, we're actually, okay, so we're just fitting, oh, I don't know. Oh, it looks like, yeah, we're getting it fitted to the display stand. So that motor we're just constructed, we're going to get that fitted to the display stand. And that'll be issue 82, and that will be coming up soon. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my presentation of this issue of Build a Spitfire Mk1A by Hachette PartWorks. And if you'd like to see the progression of this model or any of the other models on the channel, because I've got the Ecto one and the Ferrari F40 going on at the moment, then you can always consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up or pop any comments in the comments box. I always get back to those. But hey, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Hope to catch you again on the channel soon. Take care and ta-da for now.